How adorable. This is adorable. Look at this. This is a gorgeous high rise. This is in the downtown Houston area. And it just stands out. It's unique. It's delightful. It's right next to Discovery Green. The location could not be better. So much to walk to, so many trees and green areas and restaurants, and just all in a super quick walking distance. And we'll go out on that balcony so you can see a little bit more of what you're going to be near. But isn't this just so fun? This is a large area, and you can really have a captivating life. You can have a lot of people over anytime. If you're used to being in a house and you just want to make the move and sell the house, get rid of all the maintenance, and enjoy high rise living in the Houston area, this is a perfect choice for you at the One Park Place. Look at it. It's just delightful. It's got wonderful cabinets, so much cabinet space, and there's just some beautiful, this beautiful island here. It really makes it fun to kind of congregate around. And then this space is just adorable. Look at this. It's a separated little TV watching area or just a chatting area. It's beautiful. This is really a unique high-rise experience waiting for you in Houston at One Park Place. Okay, let's do a quick walkthrough. We're going to start at the front door just so you can see a little bit more of the bones of this beautiful apartment. And if you like what you're seeing, reach out. You can send me a text anytime and just say, Grant, I'd like to get some more information about this. I love this floor plan and I like the look of the One Park Place. And I'd like to, let's just chat about it. Be happy to chat with you. I love my penthouse clients. Okay, let's go and talk to another floor plan that we're going to see.